Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Land Cruiser key battery. This is an easy process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these two simple items ready will make the replacement smooth and quick. Let's get started on this straightforward DIY task right away. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the back of your key fob and slide out the emergency key. This physical key is essential for the next step. Look for a small notch or slot where the emergency key was removed. Insert the tip of the emergency key into this slot, then gently twist it. You will hear a slight click as the two halves of the fob casing begin to separate. With the fob open, you will see the old battery. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully pry out the old coin cell battery from its compartment. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should snap securely into place. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear them click and snap securely into place all around the edges. Make sure there are no gaps. Once reassembled, slide the emergency key back into its slot. Now, go ahead and test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Toyota Land Cruiser. It should work perfectly, restoring full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.